Hi guys, happy June, happy Monday. This is the day you're watching this video. It's time to do some unboxing. I got some boxes already to unbox for you guys and share which variation I received. I play with some of the items here, so I can't wait to show you the items I received for base and premium. This is for Boxycharm and it's for the month of June. Yes, I had a little fun because that's exactly what the theme is. It says there to dazzle, so not too much bling, but I went with all the colors that they were showing in this month theme, very colorful. So I said, you know what, let's go ahead and have fun. It is the summertime, even though it's been raining and thundering where I'm at, but let's play with the boxes. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing already. I'm gonna start unboxing the base box first. It was for $146. The premium, the retail was $232.99, and Boxyluxe, which I already did a video, you guys could check it out. I'm gonna share that at the end of this video so you guys could see the variation I received. That one was, I believe, $321 in total. All three boxes just for the month of June alone for the variations I received came out to $700, to be exact $699.99, which is crazy. That much money, $700 worth of product, which is the value on three boxes just for the month of June alone. So you guys want to see that video, you will see I did a tutorial, and also I talked about the box that you see in the back, which are the roses. Super cute, and I think it's a perfect gift, so you guys could learn a little bit more how I got that. But let's start with the base box. The first item that I received was a palette. It's OPV Beauty. This palette retails for $40, and you will see that it's called Spotlight. As I talked a little bit about it, how I did this eye makeup look, if you guys will see how I did it. Here is that colorful palette. You can see I used the colors you're seeing here, and I wanted to play more with the blue tones, but they were all shimmer, and for this look I needed to use more matte shades. You will see I'm going to be using a flat brush to create the line, and I started with the color that I'm more afraid to use, which is the black, but the intensity of that color I didn't have to do much with it, so just be careful, just use a flat brush, and that's exactly what I did. It's pretty thin, and that's what I did to be my guideline. I brushed it side to side to kind of like blend it out a little bit, because you pack that shade, you wanna blend it so it doesn't look so harsh. And then right on top I did the same thing with two other colors. The color was Star, which is that nice pink here you see, and then the next one right on top I use I believe is Slimmer, and that is that orange shade, and that's all I did on the top, just blending it side to side. Slimmer, I did try to blend a little bit more upwards to kind of create it more like a transition shade, and on the bottom I didn't have to do a cut crease. I already had the concealer there, which I like to use is Huda Beauty. It's this type of brush that is angled, it's flat, it's precise, it's pretty thin. I use this again with that black shade. It's called Exposure, to create that line, and then I brought that back in, and then you fill that in. Once you're happy, just clean it out, and I had no problems cleaning it out and using the same brush. Then I use Star. I did the same thing. I did the line first, and then I use a more dense brush to pack that in. And then with the same shade called Glimmer, it's not Slimmer, it's called Glimmer, and then I did that. The only shimmer here that I used was called Limelight, which is this nice bright blue, but it comes out more like white, which is fine for me, and that's what you see in the inner corner. And I really like how this makeup looks, so I think this palette is really good. I like it very, very much, very pigmented, and I was able to do this eye makeup look. I applied the mascara that I did receive in the boxes today. I applied falsies that I received in the boxes today as well. Here all I did was use Star and just blend that out, and then right underneath Glimmer, which is that orange shade, and with that precise thin brush I put a little bit of the black very close to that lash line. So yeah guys, loving the palette, and yeah, I think that was really good on this box. And that one, like I mentioned, is OPV, and it's $40. Next I used another item in this box, and let me tell you, I am impressed that we got NARS in a base box. So yeah, I'm liking that this is in a base box. So if you're not getting Boxyluxe, I think this is good. This is not the shade I would have used today, but I was like, you know what, they're too dazzle, might as well use a shade I normally won't use. And this one retails for $27. It's a matte lip pencil. It's matte, but it feels very creamy, and this is exactly the claims. It's gonna feel creamy, and it has vitamin E, so I love that. And the shade that I got is called Mysterious Red. It's a nice subtle red. It's not so bright, so it's not bad. Then I got Touch and Soul, and this one is called Glowdient. Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette. These are all shimmers that you could use to glisten, to bronze, and to even perfect flirty flush. I don't know if they meant blush. So here are those cute shades, and I'm gonna swatch them, guys. Look at those colors. Yeah, very pretty. And this one, guys, $34 from Touch and Soul. And next I got, yesterday when I did my eye makeup look, I mentioned that the brushes I was using is from Luna Magic. We got this a few months back, and once again, you're gonna see Luna Magic, at least in this variation, but this one is something different I normally don't use, and it's called Baba Boom Pink Lash Primer. It's a lash primer. I normally don't wear a lash primer, but I do like that if you don't wear falsies, a lash primer sometimes does help extend the lashes. Let it set, and then you could apply the mascara or just follow the instructions from it. But look at this color on this primer. I did not use it today, but yeah, now I'm tempted to try it out. I have tried it in the past, and it does do good. I just forget to do it. I feel like it's an extra step, but if it's going to extend my lashes, then might as well try it out. And last, I got Jecca Black. I have not received this brand before. This is a hydrate primer. I'm going to be very careful. This one, guys, retails for $20, and the lash primer retails for $25. That's what gives me a total of $146. But today I'm using a different primer. I did get this last month. I haven't been able to try it, and a little bit goes a long way. I don't know why so much came out. This is from Hello Fab. First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer, safe for sensitive skin. This is 2-in-1. It's going to hydrate because it's a moisturizer and a primer at the same time. It feels very hydrating. I don't think it's that lightweight, and I understand because it's 2-in-1, but I really love the scent, and I love that it's great for sensitive skin. So I'm trying it out today. Hopefully I don't break out. I shouldn't, but fine. And I really like how it's holding. So yeah, this is a new primer that I'm trying. Let me know if you guys got this, and what do you guys think of this primer. So yeah, base already $146. What do you guys think? I'm impressed with that palette, and with that primer I think I'm going to skip, but everything else I think is something that I will try. Next, we're gonna move on to the premium box. Hopefully it's a good premium box. I just can't wait, guys, for that premium box. That the rumors are true. That means that soon we should be getting a takeover box. I just can't wait, guys. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and open June box. And this one, like I mentioned, retails for $232.99, and we should be getting 6 items here. And the first one we got is a product that I mentioned I tried, was a mascara, and the mascara I got is from Marc Jacobs. It's Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara, retails for $27, and yeah, I'm impressed. Usually a mascara, it takes a while for it to dry, and when you go like that, it's very dirty, and it takes a while for it to dry. You see some clumps there, some chunks of the mascara, but this is really smooth, no mess. I'm impressed with it. This is the second time I'm wearing it. Yesterday I put this just on its own. Today I'm wearing it before the falsies, and I'm impressed with this mascara. So Marc Jacobs, thumbs up. Then I got Lorac Unzipped Unauthorized Eyeshadow Palette. I believe this was one of those products that were for you to choose from. I did not play with it because I wanted to use the other palette, and in here you're gonna see that they're all shimmers. I think I could have used this shimmer today, but I just wanted to use just one palette. But let me know if you guys selected this one as your choice. They have so many different ones to choose from, and that one retails for $25. Then I got something that I don't know what to think about. It's called Skin Regimen. I haven't heard much about this brand. This is 1.85 HA booster. This one retails for $115. It's a hydrating serum. It has 3 forms of hyaluronic acid. It's micro, macro, and cross-linked to infuse the skin. So that means that probably it's going to be going different layers. So that means your skin is going to be super hydrated, not just on the surface, but more within. So if that's true, then I want to try out this product because it's just hyaluronic acid. So let's open it out. It's pretty lightweight. Yeah, guys, I'm excited to try it. 3 forms of hyaluronic acid. Yes, that's a plus right there. Finally, I got this brand. I remember this came out for Boxy Lux last year, and I didn't get it. This is Moroccan Oil Perfect Defense, $28. So this is a heat protective spray. So yes, we're getting another heat protective spray. And that one, guys, retails for $28. Then we got Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. It's called Kiss Me, $15.99. I don't mind. I love getting lashes. I usually don't get lashes, so yes, I'm glad I got it. I'm wearing it, and what I like that the band is really thin, so it makes it a lot easier to apply. And I have no problems. I just have to trim a little bit on the edge, and they feel super soft, so I like that. And then I got Floss Beauty. It's called the Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint, $22. The only thing I'm not happy about this is because I got a lip tint and cheek last month, so getting 2 back to back, I hope you guys don't get that. But yeah, you see it right here. It's nice. It's not that, it's really easy to blend, and then it feels like it does dry out quickly, so not bad. Guys, this concludes this video. Whoa, we already did both unboxing, and I was able to try out some of the products, so I'm excited for some of the stuff in the premium, to be honest, especially this hyaluronic acid. If it's what it claims, then I just can't wait to try it. Also, another product I'm excited to try. If I compare both, I think base was a little better, but you know, I'm a little more excited for this premium from some of the items that I did receive here. For the palette, I think the palette, I just might pack it. I might just give it away because I don't think I will be using it, so why swatch it? So guys, yeah, I wanted to share my unboxing, my variation. Let me know if some of the items I received were some of the products that you selected as your choice, because then this might be your variation. I truly appreciate you spending some of your time with me already the beginning of the week, already half of the year, the month of June. So thank you for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.